So hello friends, welcome to our channel 59 code. So in this video we are going to print a simple hello world program in Python. You can say it is the first program of Python. Python is one of the easiest programming language. So for this, first open Visual Studio Code. In this Visual Studio Code, first of all create a simple file which is hello world dot py. Py is extension of Python, same as like C is extension of C language. .html is extension of HTML language. So create this file, and here simple for printing hello world, directly you can write print with parenthesis double quote. Here you write hello world. Now our code is complete. So this is very simple. Now you can run this from here. This transfer you in terminal, and here you can see hello world. We can print hello world simple one line. For printing hello world in C, we need to write approx 4 to 5 lines, but in Python print it in simple one line. So this is very easy. For our next upcoming video on Python or other languages, so subscribe our channel and click on bell icon, select all option. So thank you.